Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to unbox my Euphorbia box for the month of September. And yeah, so without any wait, let's just check out what I got this time. And on my face I have nothing on except for the lipstick and my eyebrows. That's it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna open this and see what I got in this time's box. Alright, so this is how the box looks like from inside. It has a pouch which is again really nicely wrapped in a cellophane sheet or like a bag. Alright, so this is how the pouch looks like. It's mainly like blue in color with pink zippers, and it has lots of owls on it, which is really cute. So let's just dig in and see what I got this time. So I'm just gonna take out the info cards first. Alright, so this is the info card. It says September Euphorbia box, you are gold baby, solid gold. So this is the theme, I guess. Yeah, and all the information about the products is written here, like their prices. So let's just dig into the product. Alright, so the very first thing I can see is a face pack, and this is called Magic Dust, and this is a gold face pack basically, and the amount of product I'm getting here is 50 grams and it retails for 990 rupees. So definitely going to try this, and I think this is why the theme is gold baby, solid gold, because of this face pack. So now let's just move on to another product, and the next thing I can see is a color blush stick, and it's by Half and Half, and this is like a all day lip and cheek color blush stick. So you can use this stick on your cheeks or on your lips, so like a multi-purpose kind of stick. I already have this one, I think in a different shade. The shade I got is 02 Coral Pink. Actually, you have like 3 options for the shade, so if you are subscribing for this box, they'll ask you what shade you want and you can accordingly tell them. So yeah, so this one retails for 399 Indian rupees. Now let's just see what else I got, and I can see Mond'Sub's a collagen lip mask. Yeah, so this is the mask, the lip mask. I have this, and it's been a while since I've used the sheet mask or this kind of collagen mask. I think I really need it now, so I'll be definitely using this, and this one retails for about 200 rupees. Alright, so I'm just left with last product, and it's last but not the least. This is a jewelry piece, and these are earrings, and these are really nice golden Jhumkas, again going with the theme. Oh, look at these earrings, they are super pretty, love them. And these are golden oxidized Jhumkas, and it retails for 245 Indian rupees. So they are really appropriate for the festive season, and yeah, so really nice. And they're also very lightweight as well, so you don't feel anything that you have something heavy on your ears, but the look is heavy, which is awesome. But in weight they are not that heavy. So this is how they are looking on me. Definitely they'll look more good when I'll be dressing up with the makeup and the outfit. So this is how the earrings are looking. Really nice, really pretty. So those were the 4 products I got in this time's Euphorbia box, and the total comes out to be 1834 rupees, and you're getting this box in a very reasonable amount. So all the details about the box will be in the description box, so go and check it out and subscribe it for yourself. Yeah, that's it for the box, and I really love the pouch this time. It's really nice, and it has like a waterproof material as well, which is again amazing. So yeah, that was it for September's Euphorbia box, and yeah, that's it for the video. And if you're new to my channel, watching me for the first time, then please hit the subscribe button, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy.